you like content like this, possibly consider subscribing to the channel. Guys, welcome back to episode 5 of this 2013 Toyota Tacoma that we picked up from Copart just a few short days ago. In the last video, you did see us bust out this radiator support, get everything welded up 100%. We got some primer on it. It's ready for paint. So I think today in this video, what we're going to get started out doing, we're going to get everything ready, maybe get everything taped up, maybe get this radiator support painted. I would really love to get that done. So we could possibly work on the door. I think the door came, it's got a couple of dents. It was a used door, so we may have to fix that stuff up. But we got to start working on the radiator support. We got to get it painted so we can get the radiator and everything put back in. So I think we will probably get started on that stuff, getting it done. So that's enough talking. Let's start working.
Alrighty guys, so we just got done painting this radiator support. Check that out. Really nice green, matches the Tacoma. This was a really huge step for us because with this, now we can start putting the radiator back in and getting everything ready one final time to put everything back together and get it all painted. We've run out of daylight today. It's getting dark on us. So what we're gonna do is we'll catch you guys in the morning.
Alrighty guys, it is the next day here, and this radiator support turned out absolutely amazing in this hunter green color. It is beautiful. It matches the truck 100%. So what we got to do, we got to get this truck in the shop. We got to start getting the radiator back on, the condenser back on, and all these parts that we took off. We got to get that done. That'll get us one step closer to getting that body work done. So we're going to empty that bed out. Let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty guys, man, this truck is really looking like a truck now. We got the radiator back, we got the condenser back, we got everything back under this hood. We even put the horns on. Everything is ready. We put the refrigerant back in the air conditioner. It is ice cold. We put the antifreeze back in the radiator. This sucker's ready to go. And we did get our door in. It finally come in. There it is. Genuine Toyota. You just can't beat it. But when you got a truck like this, like a 2013, you can't just go to the dealer and buy a bunch of brand new parts, or else you'll have way too much money in it. So we got this door. It's a used door. We think we got a really good deal in it. It was only like $250, but it does have a little bit of damage that we're gonna have to fix on the other side. So why don't we hop to that? Try to get this door fixed, keep this truck moving on forward. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Alrighty guys, man, that went absolutely amazing. Check out that super smooth door. With a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, we saved a ton of money. We're gonna have to block that sucker down maybe and prime it one more time, but we gotta let it dry at least 6 hours. And check that truck out. Man, she's all back together. We have really had an action-packed video in this one. We did a lot of stuff, but I do think that that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. If you like this video and you haven't already, you like content like this, possibly consider subscribing to the channel. Drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. We appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, we're out.